Want to make this reverse edit? Step 1. Get your clips ready. Select one clip and add a keyframe like this. Add both position and scale keyframes. Go to the second keyframe scale, then zoom in and adjust position to fit the screen. Repeat on other clips. Left-click on your clip, then select Show Variable Speed Animation. Set to Auto Curve, the middle option on screen. Do the same for all clips. Step 2. Select your clip, then left-click your mouse. You'll see the option. Click Copy and then paste like this. Click Copy Clip and reverse it. Then crop it like this. Don't forget to stay on the beat, guys. Repeat on all clips. Drag the reversed video down to the normal clip's side. Step 3. Select the reversed video. Go to Animation and apply Fade Out. Set Fade Out to 0.2 to 0.3. That's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.